Welcome to 5th grade Module 3, Athlete Leaders of Social Change. In this module, students dive deeply into engaging topics. The 5th grade classroom is a busy, active place as students read, analyze, write, and create multimedia presentations about professional athletes who changed society. How did some professional athletes become leaders of social change? What factors help those athletes to achieve social change? And how do people become leaders of social change? Throughout Module 3, students engage with texts and activities that centers around the three guiding questions. Module 3 has 3 embedded units to guide students in understanding how athletes impact social change. Unit 1 will focus on building background knowledge as they learn about Jackie Robinson and other athletic leaders. Unit 2 focuses on exploring text and videos to analyze points of views about Jackie Robinson's success. And Unit 3 focuses on broadening students' understanding of other athletes who led social changes and answers questions about key factors that contributed to their success in being successful and effective leaders. In Unit 1, students read Promises to Keep, a book written by Robinson's daughter about how he broke baseball's color barrier in 1947 by becoming the first African-American major league player. They explore the module's guiding question: how did some professional athletes become leaders of social change? And what factors can contribute to an individual's success in changing society? Students read to identify the book's main idea and summarize the text, focusing on the factors that were most important to his success. They deeply analyze the text to gather evidence and think about the relationships between people and events. Unit 2 centers around the question: what factors help those athletes to achieve social change? In this unit, students gather evidence to share their opinions in text-based discussions with their classmates as they defend their own opinions and respond to classmates' opinions. Students practice respect and compassion for their peers. At the end of the unit, each student writes an opinion essay about the most important factors needed for leading social change. Unit 3 centers around the question: how do people become leaders of social change? In this unit, the class closely examines a text about baseball's major league pitcher, Jim Abbott. Born without a right arm, Abbott effectively led the way for the acceptance of athletes with disabilities in professional sports. Students delve deeper into the exploration as they research and write an essay comparing and contrasting Jackie Robinson to another athletic leader of their choice. Students revise their essays based on the critique with their partner, and at the end of the unit, students integrate what they've learned about these athletes' leaders in a class discussion. They share their opinions and factors that led to social change and the qualities of an effective leader in a presentation and a poster that they can create with a partner. In Module 3, students engage in many assessment opportunities. They will summarize a text read aloud and explain the relationship between key ideas and informational text. They will compare and contrast Jackie Robinson with another athletic leader of their choice, and they will also write an opinion essay comparing and contrasting the qualities of an effective leader of social change. You can help your student expand their learning by creating fun ways to explore the unit topics together. Here are a few ideas. You can watch a Jackie Robinson video in action by doing an online search of Jackie Robinson playing baseball. Then discuss his achievements with your child. Ask your students about how they might like to make an impact on social change and discuss what factors would help them achieve their goal. Watch a documentary or video clip about the athlete that your student has chosen to research. And finally, discuss the athlete's achievement and how they impacted their community and society. As we explore Athletes of Social Change in Module 3, here are a list of books you can check out from your local library. America's Champion Swimmer, Gertrude Ederle by David Adler. Patina, Track Number 2 by Jason Reynolds. The Story of Olympic Swimmer Duke Kahanamoku by Ellie Crowell. Rise Above, How 11 Athletes Overcome Challenges in Their Youth to Become Stars by Gregory Zuckerman. And Rising Above, Inspiring Women in Sports by Gregory Zuckerman. We hope this peek into their learning will start a conversation between you, your student, and their teacher as you get ready to learn and explore with your student at home. Welcome to 5th grade, Module 3, Athlete Leaders of Social Change. As always, thank you for your partnership in your child's education each and every day.